positive changes this pandemic has brought in healthcare system, and what is the role of organization like Viatris to accelerate it further? Very quickly from you, Naresh.
Thank you, Sudeep. Thank you, Heal Foundation, and I would like to thank everybody from this platform to be part of such a wonderful initiatives. All of us are so busy in our daily routine. I think this is a very unique initiative, and I would like to thank everybody. So I think what Heal Foundation wanted to drive, I can see this happening on day one itself. See, everybody here from the platform, starting from Dr. Srinath Reddy, who very clearly articulated there should be a right news, there should be a good information on nutrition, there should be more focus on prevention. So similarly, Dr. Padmanabhan said best vaccine is mask. Dr. Chopra said mental health. I think we should evolve ourselves in newer initiatives. Like this is a takeaway for us. Newer initiatives in the space of treatment to prevention. And I think, Sudeep, you have set the stage rightly. We all should move from illness to wellness. So fantastic, and congratulations. And personally, from core of my heart, would like to thank everybody for a fantastic initiative. Just a quick summary of what Viatris did. I think we were very, very emotionally attached with this initiative, very, very emotionally attached with during COVID, and our whole organization, starting from our CEO to at the bottom, people at the bottom were involved in making sure the last mile delivery this time, whether it is digital, whether it is physical. I think the combination of that, whether it is information to the key doctors, whether it is right information to the patient, whether it is right information to the hospital and state and central procurement agencies, everybody came together to make sure this is done rightly. And I think I will say that just one line, we as an organization based out of headquartered at Pittsburgh, we made sure in India the local production of remdesivir has reached to the bottom of pyramid, and we were the one company, I will say, that who has partnered with all the states as well as the central government. Thank you, gentlemen.